Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be sharing with you my sketchbook and I'm on the floor as I always am while studying. I have 4 modules at my uni and this is the sketchbook for only one module, and there's another sketchbook for a completely different task, so if you want to see that one too, please let me know and I'll definitely show you once it's done. For this sketchbook, the first thing that you see is sketches for the Unsustainable project. I'll link that video that I did and you should definitely watch it because it's so funny and ironic. And then the next task was just to analyze different buildings and how they curated their form. So these are the buildings. I did 5 projects in total. Afterwards, we took how to analyze buildings by planes, so horizontal planes, pressed planes, elevated planes, overhead planes. And then after that, I did 3 concepts inspired by planes. And then here we analyze different projects by approach and entrance, so you could do as many projects as you like. I did 10, so a lot of projects. I was going to put pictures underneath each project because some of the pages looked empty, but my instructor said it's fine. And here is another task of analyzing different buildings by view, as in how they maximized view and how they frame their windows, and then develop your own 3 concepts of different sites around where you live and how you could frame them. And these are some of the sketches from the London trip that we took. This task is called Beach House, and oh my days, it was so stressful. So we did first like precedent studies and just analyzing different beaches, let's see what you like, and then created basic concepts. I had 5 concepts, but the last 2 were boring, so ignore them. And then I did the brief for myself and sketches of just how I wanted the 3D to look, how I wanted the interior to look, and then just taking different solutions. And here I did bubble diagrams just to know where I want my spaces to go, and then I went back and forth between like sketches, plans, diagrams, sections, until I did what I thought was the final plan. I did also the site analysis while doing the brief, so it was in France, and again just different sketches. I scanned my plans and then on Photoshop I just blacked out the walls just so I and made sure everything was straight, so just so I don't have to like spend a lot of time and finish all my pens. And then I developed them even further, my site plan, my section. And then here is just some of the 3D interior sketches, so the living room, staircase, and then more development. I don't like the 3D here, so I'm just gonna have to do it again, and please close your eyes. This is some of the sketches for another task called the Infill Project. So these are just like case studies and just different sketches, and if you notice, I have 1 sketch stapled upside down, and I only noticed while I was filming. Well, that is just typical Russia. And then after that, we did complementary on a contrasting building. I definitely think that I should have had more than 2 sketchbooks for the entire module because I just sketch and research a lot, and 80 pages are just not enough for me. And then we had another task called the Corner Infill Project. So again, just an infill project, but it's on a corner now. So more sketches for projects and then sketches for like a complementary and a contrasting concept. And then everything in the end went on pencil, and I didn't ink them because I was too lazy. And that's the end of the sketchbook. And if you liked it, please give it a like and share it to your friends. And if you want to see the other sketchbooks, please let me know, and I'll definitely show you once it's done. I'm Rasha Shururu, and I will see you next time.